Hey guys, so today we're doing another remake video. A friend of mine sent me a suggested inspo look that I should recreate. So I just want to show you guys what I did and give my interpretation. Okay, so the wig unit started off a little long. We used Tang's Pearl, Titanium, and Crystal Clear, along with the 6V developer. On the titanium and pearl, we're using 105 grams each, and we're going to use 130 grams of developer. We're using a scale. A lot of people say that using a scale makes everything come out so perfect. So this is our first time using a scale. We're going to apply it starting in the back and work our way down. What we're doing is removing any of the yellow tones from the hair. It didn't have much, but I wanted a really white as possible look. I've done it with the purple shampoo. I've done it with other different toners. This is my first time trying the Tang Identity. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit more layers to this same unit that I just showed you the picture of. We're just cutting it down so that we can get multiple uses out of the same wig. At first it was long, now it's short into a bob. I'm going to layer it very closely like the picture, and then we're going to show you how we're going to put all the different colors on the tips. Okay guys, so here's the hair inspiration. It was hair by Mark Andre. This is what the client sent me, and I'm going to try to recreate it. Okay, so I am using two different pinks, this electric pink and this Adore neon pink. I just mixed them because I was almost running out of the other ones, so I just blended them together. They're very close in colors. So I am going to add these to the tips. I'm looking at the picture as I'm adding them and just closely trying to place these tips of pink where I see fit. I'm going to go throughout the hair with just the pink, and then I'll go with the other colors after. But I'm going to do one color at a time so that I can closely match the picture as much as possible. Sometimes you can nail it, sometimes you can get it close. However, a lot of times customers just appreciate you getting it as close as possible. I'm going to go in with my purple. I'm using Manic Panic. I'm only going to add it to the ends and very closely to what I saw in the picture. I'm going to go throughout the back in just a couple pieces, and then I'm going to frame the front of the face in a couple pieces, adding this purple for dimension, and I'm going to be adding the other colors as well. Okay, so I'm going in with my blue. I'm pretty much using, colors that I already have that's closest to the picture. So I'm going in with the blue, and this is where I'm going to just apply this in just a couple pieces. I'm only adding the blue around the front portion of the face. I'm only going to leave the back with the pink and the purple. The rest of it, where it halos around the front and the top, I'll have different colors. Okay, so I'm going to use the Cosmic Sunshine by Arctic Fox, and I'm going to place that blending with the blue. I'm going to do that on each one of the blues. You don't have to do it on all of them, but I'm just trying my best to follow the picture. And this is just what I saw. Sometimes it could be a matter of interpretation. I feel like the blue in the picture was a little deeper. Like I said, I'm pretty much just using what I already had in house. If you notice, I am brushing along and blending where the two colors meet. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Sunset Orange by Arctic Fox, and I am going to blend that with the yellow. If you want to add in some orange and other places, but like I said, I am trying my best to follow the picture. I find that to be a little challenging also, because if you've never seen the person do the application, sometimes you just pretty much are guessing, which is fun. You can take a look and recreate and add your own twist, which is cool, but sometimes it's more of a challenge to try to recreate something that you never saw it being done. Okay, so now it's time to style it. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use a wand, and I am going to use a big one. I don't want the curls to be too tight. I want it to be pretty loose. It's totally up to you and how you want to style it. You'll see it styled really tight, and then I'll loosen it up in the end.